I was working as a sales and marketing intern at Rustomji, and I used to ask my marketing manager ki, how should I get into marketing, because I was opting for a career switch from hotel management to marketing. So he told me ki, you do one thing, you specialize in one particular stream of marketing, and he suggested digital marketing. Hi, I'm Chetan Khanna and I work as a paid media executive at PivotRoots. I was always interested in the business side of things. That's why I got into paid media, and thanks to IID, I got placed at PivotRoots. So I started looking for courses in digital marketing. When I came across IID course, I just found that IID had a vast curriculum. They basically covered every aspects of digital marketing, as well as something like soft skills, hard skills, all those things. So that really got my attention. The assignments that were given to us really helped me find my niche. They gave me an understanding of what my daily tasks would look like in an agency. The trainers at IID were really very helpful. They entertained all of our doubts, no matter how silly they were. And Daksh sir was my favorite. I'm still in touch with him. If you're somebody who's looking to make a career in digital marketing, then IID is the best place to start.